Okay, guys, let's open this box from Carla. Oh my god, wait. She said that there was holes from her cat. I don't know, but thank you, Sydney. I don't know where your holes are. Okay, let's open this. Guys, this box is heavy. It's heavy and she spent like a lot of money. She spent like a lot of money to send the box today because the price is on the box. So I mean, to me that's like $1 million. Thank you. Thank you so much. She put penny tape like this. Wow. Wow. See this? I love sardines. And it's in tomato sauce. I can eat this with noodles. Like onions and tomatoes and garlic. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much. This is, oh my gosh, okay, wait. Okay, so guys, there's sardines. Tapatio ramen noodle soup. Tapatio, we don't have that brand here. I just bought the hot sauce though because it was on sale for 99 cents and you know, it tastes really good. Thank you. I'm gonna try this. Herbal tea. I love tea. You listen to everything. Tea. Thank you. Cinnamon, ginger, cardamom, and cloves. It sounds Indian. I love it. I want to go to India one day. I smell it. Oh my gosh. Sardines. I got more sardines than tomato sauce. I know this sounds crazy, but I freaking love sardines, kid. Thank you. You gave me stuff that I love. Oh my god. Okay. I am set for like a month. My favorite tea. Oh my god. Add. What? Add the milk. Add. Girl, you write to what does this say? All I understand is add milk. Shauna, what does this say? Cause you know my daughter writes like a girl like you. I just don't do it. Make sure to add seasoning at the very end and don't boil seasoning mix. I don't know which one this is for. Everything is like all over. I love you, Carla. Oh, look guys. I want to go there one day. I mean, I have to.
I can't read that.
Yeah. Crazy Key, you have to let me know what this is. What this is. Oh my gosh, I can't. Add seasoning, which one? Okay, guys. Oh, what? Loco chops. Sandio. Watermelon. Oh, hard candies, watermelon flavored, filled with chili. Okay. Oh, I'm gonna freak out. Like, oh my gosh, I don't understand. I want to try this. Wait, maybe we'll try this right now. Oh, this is the one. The shells. Oh, it broke open though. It's okay though. It's still good. I'll fish him out. Rinse it out and cook it. I think, was that what it's called? No. I don't know. Can you comment down below? Can you text me? Like, can you text me? But yeah, okay, so at least I know the package. I can like order it. Veggie noodle soup. Oh, this is the good brand. Veggie, you must like this. You like ramen. Ah, okay. They don't, I've never seen this here. I've never seen this here, but thank you. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Wait, I've never seen this either. It looks amazing. Instant noodle with black bean sauce. Oh my gosh. Yes. Yes. I really want to try this. I think I'll probably try this and then make a video. Like I want to eat it with like chips or something. Maybe chicharron. Oh, look at it. Oh, this is the noodles. Wait, one is still good. Look. Only some would bust open. It's okay. I don't know how to say this. Fideo? Fideo? Oh, but anyways, so yeah. Okay. Some is still in here, guys. Oh, no, look, Carla, we have one more bag. One more bag. Amazing. Okay. I don't know how to cook this, so can you text me? Can you text me? Sardines. Why not get you all the different kinds? Seriously, for real, I fucking love sardines, okay? I love sardines, and then this gonna last me a while. Yes. What? Wait, so it's hot. Oh, it's a Mexican brand. I've never tried a Mexican brand. Yes. Yes. Thank you. I fucking love sardines. My God, add seasoning powder with noodle in your bowl. Oh my god, girl. This noodle. Which noodles? Oh, I don't know which one is what. They all mixed up. But I'm gonna save all these notes so I know. Okay. And the other sardines. Sardines in oil in Louisiana hot sauce. Louisiana hot sauce. That's interesting. It's gonna be spicy. I'll just add vinegar. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Mustard. Mustard. What the fuck am I gonna do with that? I have to Google. Oh my god. Okay, thank you, thank you. Okay, the Louisiana hot sauce. I'm gonna put it together. Girl. And in water. In water. Okay, usually it's in oil. This is something new. Okay, thank you. You seriously bought all the sardines. Wait, there's more notes in here. Okay, there's one more noodle. It looks like the chicken noodle soup kind. You can add ground beef or shredded cheese. Shredded something. I love to fry these in veg oil until brown. 8 ounces tomato sauce and 4 cups of water. Oh, this has to be with the noodles. That sounds amazing. Wait, I have to ask. Okay, yeah. I think I saw that in videos before. These noodles are my current obsession. Boil water. Oh, okay, the veggie pack. Don't add seasoning until it's in your bowl. Okay, got it. Got it. Okay, you're going for the flavor. I love the black and bean noodles. Okay, I gotta try the black and bean noodles. I wanna mukbang that. Yes. Didn't realize they are expiring soon. Eat sooner than later. Which one? Who cares? They're still good anyway. They're still good anyway. Okay, peanuts. This is huge. Japanese style roasted peanuts. Oh, is this the one on the inside? Yeah. Oh, this is gonna be good. Yes. Okay, more tea. So good. Tapatio original flavor. Guys, we don't have Tapatio kind of noodles here. Oh my god, these noodles are super good. Just add a little lime. Yes, lime. Lime is always good with a lot of stuff. And you can't forget the tahini. Thank you. I needed more. I needed more. Thank you. Tapatio ramen noodle soup. Tapatio ramen noodle. Chicken flavor. Hot. Girl. Okay, thank you. Thank you, thank you. What is the other? They're all hot, so it's... Oh, okay, never mind. There is no flavor in chicken. What is this? What is this? What is this? Wait. Wait, did you? We're gonna have to put that on the camera. Wait. What? Felly! Guys! Oh, this is so pretty. Wait. Felly! Felly! No, this is what you showed me long time ago. Oh, you guys. Thank you. Thank you. Can you see that, guys? Can you see this? This is gonna go in my house once it's done. You're gonna find it somewhere. Trust me, guys. Thank you. Thank you for everything. Everything is amazing. Oh, yeah. I want to try to see if I could put it out here so everyone can see. Oh, my sardines, my sardinas. Yeah, my sardinas. Yes. Thank you. Thank you.